Okay, today we will start hyperbola. Ellipse already completed. Can you hear me, Krishnendu? Please respond me again. I am changing the settings. Can you hear me? Okay, so ellipse already completed in the last class. Okay, so today we will start hyperbola. You know that the formulas of hyperbola are very much similar to the formulas of ellipse. Okay, so the first standard form, that is x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. This is the first form, and you know that here e greater than 1, the eccentricity is greater than 1. Okay, now first of all I am drawing the figure. The formulas are very much similar. So first of all, the focus or the two foci for this form, that is x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. In ellipse there is major axis and the minor axis, but here it is transverse axis and the conjugate axis. You know that the major axis is here, transverse axis, and the minor axis is here, conjugate axis. Do you know? I am telling you all the information about the hyperbola. Keep responding. Krishnendu, who are doing the class, please keep responding. Yes. So the transverse axis for this one is the x axis, okay, and the conjugate axis here, that is the y axis. Okay, is it all right? The transverse axis and the conjugate axis for this form of hyperbola, x square by a square minus y square by b square, here x axis is the transverse axis and the conjugate axis is the y axis. Okay. Now again similarly, length of the transverse axis, that is 2a, and length of the conjugate axis, that is 2b. Okay. So a means the half of the transverse axis, semi transverse axis. Okay, and b means the semi conjugate axis. I am telling you all the informations, just listen to me or you may write it in your copy. Okay, is it all right? Is it all right what I am saying? Now coming to the focus, S and S dash, foci, in plural foci, that is again a comma 0 and minus a comma 0, very similar to the formula of ellipse. I am not just telling you the proofs, I am just telling you the formulas for solving the problems. Okay. Now the center, that is C, that is 0 0. Okay. Next come to the vertex A and A dash, that is a comma 0 and minus a comma 0. These are the vertex. Okay, A and A dash, these are the vertex. Now tell me about the directrices. Which are the directrices here? The directrices, this is one directrix, suppose KL and K dash L dash, two directrices. There are two directrices. Can you tell me the equation of directrices? Can you tell me the equation of directrices? I am waiting. Similar to the ellipse, I am telling you, similar to the, you have gone through ellipse, you have done problems regarding to ellipse, very similar to the ellipse. Very similar to the ellipse. X equals to A by E, and it is x equals to minus A by E. The directrices are parallel to the y axis, so you know that the equation parallel to the y axis, that is x equals to constant. You know that. Do you know the equation parallel to the y axis? Do you know the equation parallel to the y axis, that is x equals to constant? Okay, so here it is passing through A by E comma 0. This is the point A by E comma 0, and this is minus A by E comma 0. So that's why x equals to A by E and x equals to minus A by E. Okay. Now these are the directrices I am telling you. Now tell me about the latus rectum. Tell me about latus rectum. The formula is similar. Latus rectum means you know that the perpendicular chord passing through the perpendicular chord passing through the focus. So length that is 2b square by a. Similar formula. Length of the latus rectum, that is very similar. 2b square. The formulas are very similar to the ellipse. If you have done ellipse, then hyperbola already done. 90% of the hyperbola done actually. Okay. Yes, type it first. Type it first, Krishnendu. What you are trying to tell me? Type it first. Type it first. I am waiting. Type it first, I am waiting. Sir, could you please excuse me, I have a class to attend. Wait once, just I have done 2 or 3 minutes, okay? And the next thing to say, the distance between the two foci, that is 2AE, okay? Distance between two foci, that is 2AE. So that's the things I have to say, and now just I will solve only one problem. Just wait. Just wait. .4. Just only one problem, just 2 minutes. Okay, just 2 minutes. 11.4, question number 1, x square by 16 minus y square by 9 equals to 1. So here a equals to 4 and b equals to 3. Okay, you are asked to find the foci, the vertices, the eccentricity and length of the latus rectum. Okay, so compared to a standard form, that is x square by a square minus y square by b square, it is a equals to 4 and b equals to 3. So E eccentricity 1 root over 1 plus b square by a square. So root over 1 plus 9 by 16, that is actually 5 by 4. The eccentricity here, is it all right? Is it 5 by 4? Is it 5 by 4? E equals to, is it 5 by 4? Now move on to the foci, that is plus minus a comma 0. Foci, that is plus minus a comma 0. So plus minus a means 4 by 5, so plus minus 5 comma 0, that is the foci. Okay, so eccentricity already done, foci plus minus 5 comma 0. Now the vertices, vertices plus minus a comma 0. Vertices, that is plus minus a comma 0, that is plus minus 4 comma 0. Okay, so vertices done. The last thing, latus rectum, 2b square by a, length of latus rectum, that is 2b square by a. So 2 into 3 square means 9 by 4. So it is 9 by 2, isn't it? Length of latus rectum, isn't it, Krishnendu? We have done one problem. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. We will be back again with a new class and we'll solve from question number 2. And before leaving the class, you just type your name for taking the attendance with P. Okay, so thank you.